Hello parents and students. I'm making a little short video to show you how to log in to your Edgenuity and a little bit of the expectations and services we're offering this summer. The first thing I want parents to know is this bit.ly/edcav is a access to your Clever. So when I type in here bit.ly/edcav, that's a login to access your Edgenuity. And what I want you to do first is log in with your school issue Gmail account before you type in the bit.ly/edcav. If you do that ahead of time, it will take you to this page, your Clever page, and it will take you to the multiple apps and resources and district partners that we have on our website. And then you will be able to actually come down here and access Edgenuity, or of course it should be up the top. Now if you happen to click on bit.ly, the bit.ly/edcav, and it takes you to a page to log into Clever, it may ask you, if you're not logged in your Gmail account, it may ask you to select the Gmail account to log in, or it may ask you to log in through your Gmail account. So that's why I always tell everyone to log in through Gmail first, then go to the bit.ly/edcav. But if you happen not to log in your Gmail account before going to the EdCav site, make sure that when you click the option to access the Clever account that you use your school issued Google account. So after we get here, my Clever page, I'm going to click on Edgenuity. And as a student, it will recognize that you're a student. Continue. And you should see your name with your courses. And I can't show you an actual student with courses because that's a privacy issue. But your student, well, first thing he'll do, or my student and your child will do, they will actually see a video and they'll watch the video on how the course works. One little thing about Edgenuity, each course is about 40 hours. However, if a student takes the pretest and he does well, or she does well, they can then take the test. And if they do well on the test associated with that chapter or that unit, they will then pass that section. That means they don't have to do the assignments, they don't have to watch the videos. So some kids are successful in testing out of certain sections, and some have to take the entire course. If you have more than one section, let's say you have Integrated Math A and B, please work. You got to think about, that's roughly 80 hours. We're going to need you to put in enough time to complete that course throughout the summer. Summer school ends July 30th, or roughly July 30th. It's always the last Friday in June, and that next week is our credit advancement week. So if you have any questions, please email me at b.billingsley@pcsstn.com. You should reply back to this email and let me know if I can be of any help. Students, please also contact me if you need any help as well. Thank you.